Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mystic Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop. Pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Scorpio, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ay isang timeless love reading for you. So, anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-relate kayo, this reading is for you. This is also a general reading. So, maaari kayong makarelate. Maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus ninyo para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. Okay, Scorpio. Let's see what's going on sa inyong love life. Scorpio. What's going on? Oy, the Hermit. Someone is alone. Nag-iisip-isip. Well, ayaw munang makipag-usap. So, pwedeng ikaw to. Ayaw mo makipag-usap. Or the person that you're dealing with. Hindi mo mahagilap. What is this? Ouch. Three of Swords. There may be a separation here, Scorpio. Someone is in pain. Ayaw mo nang makipag-usap. Can be you or your person. You may be dealing with a Virgo. Ang sakit. Ooh. I'm sensing merong pwedeng may buntis. May nabuntis, nakabuntis, nabuntis. Puro buntis. And it has caused some pain to someone. So, pwedeng sa'yo or the person that you're dealing with. Meron ditong nabuntis na painful na malaman na nabuntis yon. Or some of you naman, meron ditong may losses, no? May heartbreak. Pwedeng may miscarriage. Okay? But of course, hindi naman to magre-resonate sa lahat. This is a very painful energy, no? For some of you, Scorpio. So, let's see yung energy ng recent past. Ano yung energy ng recent past? Oh, I'm sensing someone ghosted. May nang ghost. Merong tumamlay. Parang nanamlay sa relationship. Merong commitment, okay? Merong pinangako. And then, hindi tinupad yung pangako na yon. Pwede ring meron ditong unplanned pregnancy. Ano yung near future? Ano yung near future energy? The King of Swords. The Emperor. Oh. These are both very cold energy na parang ayaw makipag-usap or nagmamagaling or parang nagmamatigas. So, pwede ikaw to nagmamatigas or the person that you're dealing with. But someone here is really in pain. Parang hindi siya napahalagahan, hindi siya, it's heartbreaking for some of you. Tignan natin yung feelings ng person mo. Ano yung feelings ng person ng mga Scorpio para sa kanila? Ano yung feelings ng person ng mga Scorpio? Five of Wands. Ow. Okay. So, I think, itong person ninyo, Scorpio, siya yung nagwo-walk away sa relationship. Pwedeng hindi na niya kaya yung complication ng relationship, yung conflict sa relationship, pwedeng lagi kayo nag-aaway, and pwedeng may ghosting nga rito eh. So, someone ghosted someone and the other person is in pain dahil pwedeng ang may buntis dito eh. I'm seeing a lot of scenarios dito. Pwedeng merong natuklasan na may nabuntis, nakabuntis, and of course, it will create a painful feeling, lalo na kung nasa third party situation ito. But I feel like your person, this person wants to get away from the responsibility. Parang nasistress siya dun sa drama, sa issue, sa problema, at umiiwas na to. How do you feel about your person? Judgment. Gusto mong maghiganti. Gusto mong maghiganti sa person mo. Parang yun lang yung makakapagparamdam sa'yo na na makukuha mo yung justice na yan. And some of you also wants na may magbago. Magbago yung kanyang desisyon, magbago yung ginagawa niya. Meron siyang baguhin for the better. But still you have feelings for this person with the Ace of Cups. Nandun pa rin yung love. Nandun pa rin yung care for this person. Kasi Ace of Cups is like a new beginning. So some of you, maari ring you want to experience a new beginning. Na gusto nyong may magbago na sa sitwasyon na meron kayo. Kasi some of you, this is your energy, like parang you are totally disappointed with what's going on sa relationship ninyo. Memories, potential. Sayang kasi merong potential tong relationship na to. Maaring umasa kayo pareho na magiging maayos. And there's also a soulmate connection here. Pwedeng alam niyo sa sarili niyo that you are deeply connected with each other. But it seems na merong mga bagay na hindi niyo kontrolado ngayon na naging dahilan ng pag-aaway or problema ninyo. Oo, I'm sensing kasi parang meron ditong pwedeng may natukso. Oo na akala nyo kayo talaga for each other but may nagkamali, no? May naging marupok. Can you at least listen to me? So, your person wants you, gusto niya na makinig ka sa mga explanation niya. If only there were a time machine to bring us back to those beautiful memories. See? Merong memories dito. Gusto niyang balikan ninyo yung masasayang pagsasama ninyo together bago ninyo na-experience itong problema at matinding pagsubok sa relationship ninyo. Your perfection, your beauty amazes me. I'm not sure how I attracted in someone like you, but I'm forever grateful. Your person adores you or vice versa. But I don't know kung anong mangyari dito sa relationship niyo in the future. Parang meron ditong paninindigan niya yung kanyang mga nagawa. Yung responsibility niya. At aalis or iiwas siya sa isang sitwasyon na hindi na nakakatulong sa katahimikan ng isip niya. Listen with your heart. You are listening but need to hear with a loving heart. So, someone needs to listen sa explanation ng other person para magkaintindihan kung saan kayo papunta moving forward. Okay? So, that is your reading. Scorpio, kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Scorpio. See you again.